This is AI yourself. Today, the 5 best no-code AI automation tools in 2026, the ones that connect your apps and let AI handle the busy work, and, more importantly, which one is actually right for you. Because picking the wrong one means either overpaying every single month, or hitting a wall the moment your workflow gets slightly complicated. And before we start, one thing that trips up almost everyone: every tool on this list charges you differently. One counts tasks, another operations, another credits, another executions. That makes the sticker prices basically impossible to compare head to head. The only number that matters is what your specific workflows cost at your volume. Keep that in the back of your mind the whole way through. Number 1 is the one you've probably already heard of: Zapier. It connects more apps than anything else, over 7,000 of them, and it is the easiest to use, full stop. Full disclosure, this is the tool I actually use to run this channel behind the scenes, so I'm speaking from real experience here, not a spec sheet. In 2026 it added an AI copilot that builds automations for you when you just describe what you want in plain English, plus autonomous agents it calls Zapier agents. If you're non-technical and you want your apps talking to each other today, this is the fastest path there is. The catch is the pricing. Zapier charges per task, and a single automation with 3 steps burns 3 tasks every time it runs. Paid plans start at $20 a month for 750 tasks, and if your automations run often, that bill climbs fast. Heavy users can end up paying hundreds a month. Zapier is the best on-ramp. It is rarely the cheapest destination. Number 2 is Make. Think of it as Zapier's more powerful, cheaper cousin. Instead of a simple list of steps, you build automations visually on a canvas, dragging connections between them, which makes complicated logic, branches, loops, filters, far easier to see and manage. It's also dramatically cheaper at scale. Make's paid plans start at $9 a month for 10,000 operations, where Zapier would charge you many times that for the same volume. It added its own AI assistant, called Maya, and AI agents in 2026 as well. The trade-off is the learning curve. Plan to spend a few hours wrapping your head around it before you're really productive. If your Zapier bill is growing faster than the value you're getting out of it, Make is the upgrade. Number 3 is n8n, and this is where it gets interesting for the more technical crowd. n8n is open source, which means you can run it on your own server for basically nothing beyond hosting costs, with unlimited runs and your data never leaving your control. It's also the strongest tool here for genuine AI agent workflows. The 2026 version added native support for AI agent tools, memory, and over 70 AI building blocks. If you're comfortable with a little technical setup, nothing on this list beats it on value or control. The catch is right there in that sentence: technical setup. Self-hosting means you're the one keeping it running, and its library of ready-made app connections is smaller than Zapier's. There's a managed cloud version starting around $20 a month if you'd rather skip the server part. Now 2 newer, AI-first tools that work differently from the classic automators. Number 4 is Gumloop. Instead of just connecting apps, Gumloop is built for AI doing actual work on data, scraping websites, pulling and enriching information, researching, generating content, all on a visual board where each step can be an AI action. It has a free tier to test with and a paid plan around $37 a month. If your automations are less when I get an email, add a row to a spreadsheet, and more go read 100 companies' websites and summarize each one, Gumloop is purpose-built for exactly that. Just know it's built-in credits, and it's aimed at data-heavy work. It is not the tool for simple app-to-app plumbing. And number 5 is Lindy, the most AI agent of the entire list. Lindy lets you set up what it calls AI employees, little agents that each own a job, like handling your inbox, booking meetings, triaging support tickets, or running sales outreach, and mostly work on their own. When it clicks, it feels less like building an automation and more like hiring someone. The reality check: it's the priciest entry point here, starting around $50 a month, and it dropped its free plan earlier this year, so there's no zero-cost way to really test it anymore. It's also the most trust the AI to run by itself, which is wonderful when the task is forgiving and nerve-wracking when it isn't. Powerful, but started on low-stakes work. So which one? Here's the honest shortcut. If you're non-technical and just want to start, use Zapier. If your Zapier bill is getting painful and you don't mind a learning curve, switch to Make. If you're technical, or you care about cost and privacy, or you're building real AI agents, run n8n. If your work is heavy on data and research, Gumloop. And if you want an AI agent that basically does a whole job for you, and you're okay paying for it, Lindy. Notice the pattern: the right tool depends on your skill level and how much you're running, not on which one has the flashiest AI feature. One last thing, Because it's the mistake I see most. Don't pick the most powerful tool, and don't pick based on the AI agent label that's plastered on every one of these in 2026. For most people, the genuinely useful AI feature isn't an autonomous agent you have to supervise, it's the copilot that builds the boring workflow for you so you don't have to. Match the tool to what you actually do, start on a free tier wherever one exists, and only start paying once you've proven the thing works. That's AI yourself. Like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.